Today, we will explore how to address the issue of PowerPoint not indenting bullet points in your presentation. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This first step is essential because it loads the application and all its functionalities, allowing you to take full control of your project. Make sure that PowerPoint has fully started before moving forward. Once the program is running, locate and open the presentation file that you wish to work on. Whether you are working on an existing document with the bullet indent issue or creating a new presentation that requires proper bullet formatting, opening the relevant file ensures that you are making changes in the correct location. After your presentation is open, direct your attention to the File menu. You will see a tab labeled File positioned at the top left part of the PowerPoint window. Clicking on this tab reveals a comprehensive list of options that govern many aspects of your presentation. This step is crucial because it gives you access to settings that can resolve formatting challenges. With the File menu now open, proceed to select Options. The Options menu is where you can tailor various configurations related to PowerPoint's behavior. The adjustments available here can affect the way your presentation looks and operates, allowing you to customize the application according to your needs. Within the Options menu, find and click on the Proofing section. This part of the settings deals with tools related to spell checking, grammar, and other automatic corrections. Although it might seem unrelated at first, the Proofing section also houses essential settings for list formatting, making it an important step in addressing the bullet indentation issue. In the Proofing settings, locate the Autocorrect Options button on the right and click it. This action will bring up a dialog that contains further customization options for PowerPoint's automatic behavior while you type. The dialog is designed to help you fine-tune how PowerPoint interprets and formats your input on the fly. Within the autocorrect dialog, navigate to the Auto Format as you type tab. This tab is fundamental because it allows PowerPoint to adjust formatting in real time as you enter content, streamlining a consistent appearance across your presentation. Once you are in the Auto Format as you type settings, ensure that the automatic bulleted and numbered lists option is turned on. Enabling this setting will allow PowerPoint to automatically format your bullet points and numbered lists as you type, addressing the indentation problem directly and saving you time in the formatting process. To save your changes and apply the new settings, click OK twice in the dialogues that have been opened. Completing this step finalizes your adjustments so that PowerPoint will now properly indent bullets as you continue to work on your presentation.